Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Rocket League stuck on loading screen or infinite loading screen, right? So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to locate your Epic Games Launcher shortcut, right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility and make sure that these options is selected. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 7, and then disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator is selected, and then go to your disk where you basically install the Rocket League. For me is on disk C, program files, Epic Games, then Rocket League, binaries, Win64, and then you need to do the same with the Rocket League app application here. Go to properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 7, and disable, basically select these two options as well, right? And if the problem persists, then the next thing that you can do here is to open up Epic Games Launcher here. And then we need to wait for a few seconds until Epic Games loads up here. Go to library and then right click on Rocket League and then press manage and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. So go ahead and do so. It will take you a few minutes to verify the files, right? And if the problem persists, then you need to look if basically your Windows firewall not blocking Rocket League. So to do so, you need to go to firewall and network protection and then press allow an app to firewall, and then you need to basically look if there is a Rocket League on this list. So just press R, and if there is, as you can see here, I have it, but if you don't have Rocket League on this list, you need to go to change and press change settings, and then you need to press allow another app, press browse, and then you need to basically go and find a basically folder where you install the Rocket League. For me is on disk C, program files, Epic Games, then you need to press Rocket League, binaries, Win64, and add this app here. Press add. So you can see here I already have it, but if you don't, you will not this error here. Then press OK. And if the problem persists, then you need to open up Task Manager, and you need to look if you're using some apps that has overlay or high CPU usage. So if you play the game and, for example, you don't need to Google Chrome, you can easily end the tasks that is basically with overlay and with high CPU usage, right? And of course, make sure to close the apps that you really know, so you don't crash your PC. And another thing that you can do here, you can update your operating system and GPU. So to update your operating system, you just need to write on search, check for updates, and then you need to press check for updates here, and then we need to wait. And if there is an update for you to download and install, you need to do that, then restart your PC. And if the problem persists, then update your GPU. So to do so, go to Device Manager, go to Display Adapters, and then right click on your GPU, press Update Driver, and search automatically for drivers here. And if there is none here, then depending on what GPU you're using, so if you're using NVIDIA, you can install GeForce Experience, and then you can go to drivers, check for updates, and download and install the latest updates here. Pretty similar to AMD as well. You just need to install AMD Radeon and update your GPU, right? And it should fix the problem. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.